If you want to enhance your account security by removing old devices from your Epic Games security settings, follow these simple steps. This guide will help you manage your devices effectively. Step 1. Log into your Epic Games account. Visit the Epic Games website and log in using your account credentials. Make sure you are using the correct email and password associated with your account. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. You can find this option by clicking on your profile icon in the top right corner and selecting account from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Go to security settings. Before changing your settings, use the Ershark.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 4. View connected devices. Within the security settings, find the section labeled Connected Devices or Authorized Devices. Here, you will see a list of devices that are currently linked to your Epic Games account. Step 5. Remove old devices. Identify the old devices you wish to remove. Click on the option to remove or disconnect each device. Confirm your choice when prompted to ensure the device is no longer authorized to access your account. By following these steps, you can easily manage and remove old devices from your Epic Games account, helping to keep your account secure. Regularly reviewing your connected devices is a good practice for maintaining your online security.